Alright, Rise and Grind, man, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, we got a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS400 4MATIC. We're going to be doing the transmission flush on it, change out the fluid, and the filter and gasket. Let's get it. Alright, these are straight from the dealer. That's the fluid type. Got our filter. And our gasket. And this gasket, man, it's a little weird. It's a different gasket. It's something different. Never really seen that before. It's like it's hanging outside of the pan. So, alright, so basically what we got to do here is remove this skid plate, the bottom portion. I already took it off so I can show y'all what we got, because it's a little low right now. Can't really position the camera how I want. But these are the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Got 8 bolts holding that in. That's the only, it's the back portion, not the front. And those are all 8 millimeters. It's the transmission pan. Try to get good angles. They got these right here are going to be, you can use 8 mil sockets to get them off. They're all around it, so I'm not sure exactly. I'll tell you how many I find, but it's pretty much. So we got these clips right here. They're gonna be attached to these little pieces right here. Just pry them off with a flat head. Next, we're gonna loosen those up. I'm gonna show you what that look like. You can see how it kind of holds up. And you can see it goes like that. Take all of those out. These are this is what holds the pan up. See, we got 5 of those. And then this one right here is another one. It's got like 2 bolts in that one, a small one and a long one. And then that pan come down. And this is what we look like. Pan off. See this gasket, you can see how it does. That's how it goes on. So I'm gonna clean this up, put the new one on. Alright, that's our filter right here. That just wiggles out, man. We can wiggle that out. It's almost ready to come out. Alright, we got it out. See, that's the hole where that goes. That gasket stick in there pretty much holds it in. Alright, that's the old one. And the new one. That's our new one in there. always clean your magnet. All right, we in there. It's a special tool you need. To add the fluid. Take that drain plug out, screw that up in there. This tube right here, hook it up, and the other end, put it in the fluid in the bottle and pump it in. Get it in the air, try to get it level. All right, so I went ahead and put these 4 in, 4 quarts in. We'll start with that. Now we got to start up the vehicle and get it to operating temperature. We want the transmission fluid level the temperature to get to about 45 degrees Celsius, and we're gonna start adding the rest of the fluid. Change it. And we got degrees Celsius. We gotta wait till it's at 45. Start adding more. Yeah, it's been a good 20 minutes. We ain't got there just yet, but we almost there. 39. All right, we finally made it. We got 47. All right, we're gonna go add about a half a quart. All right, so you want to keep it running. You have no fluid coming out. You want to add a half a quart, and then we're gonna check to see if we got an overflow. Once we get an overflow, then we know we're at the level it needs to be, and we don't need to add any more. Added a half a quart. We'll need to go ahead and add some more. Alright, I added another quart, about a half a quart, a little bit more. And as you can see, take this loose, we got fluid sitting here. So it's gonna be ready to, should be topped off. So now we full.